Data definition language. DDL is used to construct an object in the database and deals with the structure of the object. First one is create table. It is used to build, construct an object. Object means entity or can be table or a view. Let's see the syntax with example. Create table. Table name customer. Column name customer ID. Data type number. Constraint primary key. We are mentioning the customer ID as the primary key, which is a combination of a not null and unique. Customer name varchar customer number. Here we are giving the extra validation to limit the contact number up to the 10 digits. Address. Then this is a parent table. Let's create a child table. Table name product. Here a product ID is a primary key. Product name, price, customer ID. Customer ID is taken from the customer table as the foreign key, which is used to establish connection between the customer and the product table. Alter is used to modify the structure of the table. To add a column to the existing table, alter table, customer, add mail ID, varchar. You can still add further constraint type. To drop a existing column, alter table, table name, drop column, column name. That is mail ID. Here we are deleting from the customer table. To rename a column, alter table customer, rename column contact number to the phone number. To modify the data type, alter table, table name, that is customer, modify customer name to new data type, that is cat. To modify not null constraint, alter table, table name, that is customer, modify column name, address, existing data type, varchar to the null or not null. Drop. It is used to remove the table from the database. We have a syntax drop table, table name, that is customer. Once you execute this command, it will be moved to the bin folder. To recover back the table, we have a command flashback table, table name to before drop. This will recover back to the database. Then to delete the table from the bin folder, we use purge table, table name. Firstly, we have to drop the table which will move to bin folder. Then we use purge to delete it completely. Once we use this purge table, it will be gone forever. We cannot recover it. DDL statements are auto-comment statements.